Metro Labs.
Every day in our school and college laboratories, experiments are conducted. These experiments produce wastewater that may contain toxic chemicals like lead, mercury, and alkali acids. If this wastewater is poured directly onto the land, it doesn't just disappear, it seeps into the soil, contaminates groundwater, and harms the environment. And who suffers the consequences? Our next generation. Let's understand the issue. Lead and mercury in wastewater can poison soil and crops. Strong acids and alkalis can change soil pH, destroying fertility. Once contaminated, it takes decades to recover soil health. This isn't just science, it's a social responsibility. Let's see. How do we treat and safely dispose of laboratory wastewater? Here are the essential steps.
Neutralization, precipitation, filtration, reusing the filtered water, reusing the precipitation waste.
Neutralization. Many school lab experiments produce acidic or basic waste. These solutions should be collected in a designated container and the pH adjusted to a neutral range, pH 6.9 to 7.1. This can be done by carefully adding a neutralizing agent, such as a mild acid or base, while monitoring the pH with a meter or litmus paper. Precipitation and filtration. Once the wastewater is neutralized, it is sent to a precipitation stage. In this process, special chemicals called precipitating agents are added to the water. These agents react with any dissolved heavy metals or other harmful substances, causing them to form solid particles. These solid particles then sink to the bottom of the tank, a process known as sedimentation. After the solids have settled, the cleaner water is moved to a filtration system. At the end of the process, solid waste settles at the bottom, while clean water remains on top, both of which can be reused. After filtration, the treated water is now clean enough for non-potable uses. It can be redirected for several purposes to conserve water and reduce waste. Irrigation. The water can be used to water plants and maintain green spaces, as it is free of harmful chemicals. Toilet flushing. It can be used for flushing toilets, which reduces the demand for fresh, drinkable water. Sunny dry. This likely refers to drying the water by evaporation, perhaps for a specific process or to reduce the volume of liquid waste. The solid waste collected from the bottom of the precipitation tank is not discarded. This precipitation waste, which contains the solidified heavy metals and other chemicals, can be repurposed. It is often used as an additive in brick manufacturing. The overall process of laboratory wastewater treatment in a simple way. Safety and guidelines for wastewater treatment. Wear personal protective equipment, PPE. Always wear safety goggles, a lab coat, and gloves when handling any chemical waste. Follow regulations. Adhere to all guidelines from local and state environmental agencies, as well as national boards like the CPCB, Central Pollution Control Board, in India. Every lab assistant, science teacher, and student must be trained on identifying hazardous waste, handling chemicals safely, following disposal protocols. This is not optional. It's part of scientific responsibility and social duty. As principals, correspondents, teachers, and lab users, we must pledge. We will not allow our laboratories to spoil the environment. We will treat laboratory wastewater responsibly. We will safeguard nature for future generations. If you are a teacher, student, or environmental activist, share this video to spread awareness. Let's ensure every school and college laboratory follows safe wastewater disposal practices. Because clean water, safe soil, and a healthy future depend on the actions we take today. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more content like it.